When you want to erect the tipi, then you need some poles, and I want to show you here how these are made. First of all, when you have a 4-meter tipi like this one, you need 5.5-meter long poles. This is 6.5 meters poles for a 5-meter tent, and now I want to show you how they are made. First of all, you need trees. This is pine, but you can also take spruce, and you take normally the smaller trees that came later, that get grown later and are too close to larger trees, because they will die anyway in later time. So you cut them off. They are very thin and very long, and this is a perfect tree for making tipi poles. Here you see also this smaller pole and smaller tree. They are cut down and all the twigs are cut off. Then you take it back home, and this is the time where you can also remove the bark. These are the trees where that came later, were normally are taken out anyway. This is a tree pot. You need 2 of them, and then this small instrument, this scraper, where you can get the twigs away. And then you have this scraping instrument where you can take the bark off. Normally it's easier with fresh bark than with a dried tree, but you will see what you can get as trees. So these trees, these poles are very badly made. You have to smoothen these tree twigs, and this is, please don't cut the poles too short. This is maybe 2.5 to 3 centimeters at top. When they are too large, the crow's nest will be too wide later on. And this is on the bottom. This is a very perfect set, 6.5 meter, and these are between 8 and 14 centimeters, circa, approximately. And this is a very thin set we use for traveling normally. And this is how to store them. And yeah, now I hope you have learned something to simply do your own poles for your own tent and have a lot of fun under the stars.